Here's one last view of the goat boats. Goats in action, floppy ears flying, demon heads attached to the hull. There's another view of Samurai Iron Man. That is Ultimate Executioner Red Skull. Here's Chuckles and Ultimate Jedi Mandalorian Girl. There's Leatherneck G.I. Joe. There's Ultimate Vengeance Double-Bladed Flame Sword. There's Decapitated Demon Head from a different toy line. There's 2016 Ghostbusters Thor again. There's Tigress. There's another Iron Man. There's Rocket and Groot loaded up with guns. And there's Ultimate Korg with blue cape and hammer and assault rifle. And there we are again. My goat boat.